Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you or talk to you about Qmaster. Qmaster, what is it? Well, let's talk about our old computers. As all artists, photographers, cinematographers, video people, anyone, whatever, who use the Final Cut Studio suite and spend that good $3,000 or $2,000 or whatever we had to pay for it. To get it, we got both not just Final Cut and a few other fancy programs. We also got Compressor, which solved our video codec needs when it came down to, okay, we gotta output one video into 10 different formats. One for YouTube, one for Blu-ray, one for iPhone 4, DVD, Apple TV, whatever, you name it, it's got it. Next, they included Apple Qmaster, which kind of creates your own little rendering farm out of your own computers. I recommend that your computers need to be G5 or Intel higher processor to make this work the best. I have a 3.3 here that I'm doing the screencast on and a 2.3 on the MacBook Pro that I'm going to be demonstrating. We'll go do a screen share on that. This is connected via Ethernet via a 1 gigabit link. Key, 1 gigabit. You want to have a fast connection. No Firewire or airport Qmaster. It just kind of doesn't make sense. Here's the little Qmaster snow, I call that a snow icon with a little round dot on it, whatever. That just kind of means these are all in standby. And this is all in standby. Alright, CPUs are at idle. This one I'm doing a screencast, so this is kind of like running all over the place. Anyways, as we all know, we are sick of rendering. So when it comes down to rendering, we like to do it as fast as possible. And we've been looking to do it faster for a long time. Qmaster takes all of your old computers, takes a video file, splits it up into bunches of pieces and sends those bits of pieces to all the computers connected to you. And all those other computers will utilize their CPUs to 100% and render it, and then send all that rendered video file back to the main computer for the main computer to assemble, and boom, you got your video in about half the time. Normally it shaves 10 minutes off of a normal 30-minute render. So if it's going to be normally 30 minutes, it's going to be 20 minutes via Qmaster. So let's go ahead and do a demonstration. We'll go ahead, I'm going to delete that real quick. So we got this video I've done. You always want to do a self-contained .movie file, better on Compressor and on Qmaster as well. You don't want to go from Final Cut out. Just get it self-contained, export it as a self-contained. So this looks like a good video, 180 full quality. Drag it over here, boom, it's over there. Let's select a codec for it. We'll do a, go ahead, do a Apple ProRes 422. That'll be efficient. That'll be quick so I can show you. And let's go ahead, and if everything is set up correctly, Google some videos how to set up Qmaster, because it is a little bit difficult. You want to click on iMac. Well, this is what I have named for my cluster. I just have the iMac and the MacBook Pro, and I call it Power because really that's what it is. So instead, it creates 4 cores basically out of one system. So I'll click Submit, bring down my batch monitor. In any second here, it should start up. We have a green light here, and we're gonna kind of cross our fingers, and hopefully a green light. Boom, green light there. Alright, so we got 2 green lights. I'm gonna kind of go ahead and 8 segments. Yes, boom, it's rendering. You can see where it's rendering, Ryan's iMac, Ryan's MacBook Pro. and it's rendering these two segments side by side. And as you can see, it takes CPUs. That's painless. You can do multiple videos, just keep throwing them at each other. So, and you can close out compressor, because we really don't, actually you don't need that open while it's doing this. And so once this is all done, it'll send it back to this computer here, and we'll go from there. So anyways, go ahead, I'll close this out. Actually, I'll stop this because I don't need it. I guess it's going to wait for the other computer to finish. There it goes. That is Apple Qmaster's power and everything. That's kind of what you want to do. So with Qmaster, it's in your system preferences. It's kind of my setup. Take a look at it. Looking, pause it, need to. Going on. Here's the advanced section. Alright. Key thing, restart services every 24 hours. Allow discovery via Bonjour, etc., etc. And identifies computer as Ryan's iMac. Alright. Good. Now on your client computer, which will do the rendering, or help do the rendering, I should say. Qmaster. Take a look. Services only, because I only use this computer just to do the services in terms of rendering. Share for a compressor. There you go. Looking, pause it, there. Discovery, restart. There you go. And that's about all you need to see to get that figured out. And Google some setup cues on that too. Because it is difficult to set up. So anyways, I'll try to get another screencast on how to set that up. But that's basically how it works when it's working properly. Alright, anyways, happy rendering.